Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to change Duolingo app icon. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to Duolingo application. After opening your application, you will see this page. So this is Duolingo's interface where you'll have to first of all navigate to the Super Duolingo dashboard. So make sure you have subscribed to the Super Duolingo's plan and click on the Super Duolingo icon at the top right, and you will see this page where you'll have to just scroll down and navigate to Super Benefits section. Here you will see Super App icon, Unlimited Hertz and Monthly Streak Repair. Simply choose the option that says Super App icon. Click on this turn on icon just right here. When you click on turn on, it will instantly change the icon for Duolingo. So, you can only change your Duolingo's app icon on mobile devices. If you're using Duolingo on desktop, this doesn't apply to that. Also keep in mind that you will need to have at least one different icon unlocked in order to change your icon. The following steps should only apply on both iOS and Android devices. So, this is the simple way through which you can change your Duolingo app icon. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.